हेलो किड्स, कैसे हो आप लोग। तो स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल में। तो आज हम सीखेंगे बच्चों ए फॉर आंट, बी फॉर बटरफ्लाई एंड कलर्स नेम। सो लेट स्टार्ट। रेड कलर, येलो कलर, ग्रे कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, ब्लैक कलर, पैरेट कलर, पिंक कलर, ग्रीन कलर, blue color and purple color. So let's start. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. A for ant, A for ant. B for butterfly, B for butterfly. C for cap, C for cap. D for duck, D for duck. E for elephant, E for elephant, E for elephant. A for aeroplane, A for aeroplane. B for bus, B for bus. C for candy, C for candy. D for doll, D for doll. E for ear, E for ear, E for ear. F for fish, F for fish. G for goat, G for goat. H for horse, H for horse. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for joker, J for joker. F for fruit, F for fruit. G for gun, G for gun. H for hand, H for hand. I for India, I for India. J for jeep, J for jeep. Let's revise. A B C D E F G H I J. A B C D E F G H I J. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye kids.